Okay, now we are going to discuss about Venn diagrams. So, Venn diagram invented in 1880 by I'm sure this is I'm not really sure, I can't remember it's a mathematician or not, named John Venn. So he invented a Venn diagram during this year. Is a schematic diagram, is a schematic diagram that shows all possible logical relations between different mathematical sets. So I will give an examples. Let's see here. So Venn diagram represent, or normally we put in square bracket like this, and then we have one set here, let's call this as set A, and then another set here, let's call this set B, and the middle part here is the intersection part between A and B. So we call it as this part over here is the intersection part between A and B. Or let's take a look at examples. Let's see, I have A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have B as 7, 5, 3, 0, 1, and then I have C as 4, 5, 10, 11. So we can put these three sets in a Venn diagram. So we can see, to make it easy, I will highlight the common element for all these three elements first, which is 5. So to make it easy, I will put 5 in the middle like this. So I will draw, and then like this. So if this is A, B, and then C, so between A and B, the common module is, I can see here, 3 and 5. So 5 already in the middle, so another one I can put in this side, 3, and then between A and C there is another common module. So A and C, the common module is 4 and 5, as we see here. So 5 already in the middle, so I can put another one between A and C here. And then between B and C, there is only one common module, which is 5. We already put in the middle. So the rest of the element we can put like for A, 3, 4, 5 already here. So we left with 1 and 2. For B, 5, 3 and 5 already. So we left with 7, 0 and 1. And then for C, 4 and 5 already here. Then we left with 10 and 11. So this is a Venn diagram for the 3 set in here. But coming back to the definitions, we say here, instead here is a schematic diagram that shows all possible logical relations. So what actually we would like to highlight in here is the possible logical relation. This one is just an example, but then we can show in here how is it all the possible logical relations. Let's just take example of 2 sets. Earlier we already have. So this can be one possible logical relation. Another examples of possible logical relation we can have as like this. And then take a look another examples. This is also another possible logical relation if contains of 3 sets. So we are looking at the center only. Or I can give another examples. Here, and many ways of possible logical relation. So it depends on how is the elements of all the set that we would like to represent into the Venn diagram like this. For example, that we have over here A, B and C. We already tried to put this into a Venn diagram, and this is all the possible logical relations that we can see. Okay, so don't stress out. Again, Venn diagram is just a schematic diagram that shows all possible logical relations among the sets. Okay, we are going to look at another examples after this video.